that. You ready? I'm gonna adjust you on TV. You ready with that?
Yeah. We like that.
Here, stay right there, champ.
Oh, did you hear that? That was awesome.
All right, we'll sit you up. Good job, champ.
Good job, Dominic.
Can you play now?
Yes, you can go play now.
See ya. See you later.
All right.
Go play. You lay